Alright, here's a quick me trying to fix it video. You can't see very well, but these door sill lights are actually a different color. They're actually purple, and the ambient lights inside the car are blue. It's purple on this side, and if we walk around to the other side, they are green. And as you can see there, the ambient light is blue. Inside it's blue. The cup holders, I guess the center console is blue. And then the cup holder is also blue. I already tried disconnecting the battery. It seems to have still maintained the different colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set all these, I'm going to disconnect this side first, and I'm going to set all the lights green, then plug this in and see if that works. Alright, so as you can see there, I switched them to green. We're going to plug in the driver's side one, which I disconnected, and hopefully that'll fix it. So here we go. And then we'll see if it actually changes color when I go to change the settings. Alright, so green, everything's green. And now we're going to come into here. We're going to change the color settings to purple. And now it's yellow. So it might be. See, that side is white. Now it's supposed to be green, and it's kind of this yellowish color, but it still looks white on the camera. Well, so this is green now. When everything else is green. Right there's the door for reference.
Well, Fall Out Boy's never had a #1 song in the country. #1 albums, right?
So we're gonna try and shift through these again and see what happens. Alright, it's supposed to be purple, and as you can see there, it's yellow. Blue turns to this turquoise aqua thing. So it might be that these door sill plates aren't good anymore. So we'll keep shifting, maybe it'll adjust. Well, let me go ahead and tell you, #1 this week, it is Panic at the Disco, which that's orange, and it's kind of orange yellowish. That's supposed to be red, and that looks more like orange. And it's supposed to be white, and as you can see, it's still green. And of course, it's green on green. So I'm gonna see if I can't find anything else information wise before I go ahead and order 2 new sills. I don't think it's gonna be a fuse issue, just because if it was a fuse, I would assume that all the lights wouldn't be working. So this is just a short video. I'll come back again, so there's going to be a part 2 to this video, and let you guys know what I find out, and we'll take it from there.